In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a transmission speed sensor on your Chevy 2500. This is going to be located on top of the transmission. Let's get started. I'm on the driver's side of the vehicle, and we're going to be reaching up right here. And right where the end of my pick is, you're going to see a little pigtail that breaks off of the harness. That's going to be our harness that we're going to chase down to our transmission sensor. We're going to reach up and follow that harness until we hit our connector. We're going to lift up on this connector and push straight back and remove it from our sensor. Need to remove the bolt. I'm going to wiggle and pull straight up and remove our sensor. Pull straight up and remove the sensor. Remove it from the vehicle. Reach up and install the sensor into place. Be sure it's fully seated. Snug the bolt down. Torque the bolt to 108 inch-pounds. Install the connector, push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.